In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Excel advanced filter function. Yeah, the filter function you are familiar with is the one that you can filter an item at a time like this. So to use the ordinary one that you're familiar with, you press Ctrl+Shift+L on PC, and you will see this drop down button appearing at the top of your data set. So if I click on this, let's say I want to select only the people in IT, and select this and click OK, and I'll have only the people in IT. And then if I click HR as well, I'll have people in HR and IT, right? So that's what I'll have by using this method. But what if I have a list of employees that I want to filter out from this data set, and I want to filter them out by their employee ID, just as it is. I want to filter them out by their employee ID. So I have a list. For example, on my sheet 2, you have already created a list of these employees that I want to filter out. And if you use the normal method by clicking this, you will now begin to search for their IDs one after the other to highlight, to check, to highlight, and then to pick them out. But I want to show you a method today that you don't have to do that. It's just a method that will help you to select all of them, select multiple criteria all at once. So how do we do that? How do we implement that? We'll implement that by using advanced Excel function. So how do I implement that? First of all, I will remove my filter drop down from this data set, and then I will navigate to my data tab. And on my data tab, if you come to this segment of this ribbon called sort and filter, you will see advanced here. This is advanced. So what you do is you click on it, and Excel will automatically select your data range, right? Your list range of your data. Then Excel is asking me to input the criteria range. So the criteria range is the list I created earlier of the employee IDs I want to filter. So I'll click on here and go to my sheet 2, and select everything here. I'll select everything here. Make sure you are selecting the employee ID title here at the top. Make sure you are selecting that as well. And then you click OK. And as you click OK, you can see the Excel has automatically filtered them out for you all at once. So first we have employee ID E007. That's employee ID E007 here. And then we'll go again, employee ID E009. And then we'll find that in our list here as well. So Excel will filter them and arrange them in ascending order. So there are things that I want you to take note of. That first of all, make sure that in this your list that you are using to filter, the title of the list is the same as the title of the column you want to apply the filter on. So, and then another thing I want to point out that this list, I can as well create it in the same sheet where I have my data set. But in the course of filtering, the list could get compressed. That's why I put it in another sheet so that I'll have a better view. So this is how you can apply Excel advanced filter function to filter multiple criteria all at once.